is for the nursery and primary school children. Hello, listeners! I am your Ace Radio School science teacher. My name is Anna Simon, but you can call me
Miss E!
Last week, we learned about the water cycle, how rain forms. We also learned about the sources of water. Today, we will learn about something very interesting. It is called photosynthesis.
Whoa, that's a big word!
Yes, that's a big word, but don't worry, I'll tell you what that means. We will also learn about what plants eat, how they prepare their food, what they need to prepare their food, and where they prepare their food. Are you interested?
Yeah!
Great job! Now, before we go on, let's sing our song about parts of a plant. It's very simple. Children at home, I want you to join us as we sing. It's a simple song about parts of a plant. Ready? Let's go. Flower, stems, leaves and roots, leaves and roots. Flower, stems, leaves and roots, leaves and roots. These are the parts that make up a plant. Flower, stems, leaves and roots, leaves and roots. One more time. Flower, stems, leaves and roots, leaves and roots. Flower, stems, leaves and roots, leaves and roots. These are the parts that make up a plant. Flower, stems, leaves and roots, leaves and roots. Good job, everyone. Now, flowers, stems, leaves and roots are the parts that make up a plant. We are going to make reference to these parts as we go on in the lesson. So pay attention. Alright? The word photosynthesis is made out of two words, photo and synthesis. Photo means sunlight and synthesis means to make. Everybody say photo.
Photo.
Synthesis.
Synthesis.
Photo.
Photo.
Synthesis.
Synthesis.
Photo means sunlight and synthesis means to make. So you know what that means? It means that photosynthesis is a process where plants make their own food using sunlight. And they don't use only sunlight to make their food, you know. They use other ingredients too. Do you want to know what the other ingredients are?
Yes, Miss E!
Good. I'll tell you. The ingredients that plants need to make their own food are sunlight, water, and air. This air is a special kind of air. It is called carbon dioxide. Everybody say carbon dioxide.
Carbon dioxide.
That's another big word. But for now, we can think about it as the air that we breathe out. Now let's do something together. Everybody breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Good job. When we breathe in air, and that air is called oxygen. When we breathe out air, and that air is called carbon dioxide. When plants breathe in and out, they do so using tiny holes in their leaves. Tiny holes in their where?
Leaves.
Tiny holes in their where?
Leaves.
When plants breathe in, they breathe in carbon dioxide. And when they breathe out oxygen.
Miss E?
Yes, Kayla?
It's like plants are reverse humans.
Yes, plants are reverse humans. We can think about it that way because when humans breathe in oxygen, they breathe out carbon dioxide. And when plants breathe in the carbon dioxide, they also breathe out oxygen. So plants give us what we need and we give plants what they need.
Miss E, I have an idea.
What's your idea?
When I go out, I'm going to breathe carbon dioxide to all of the plants.
You're going to breathe carbon dioxide to all the plants?
Yes.
That will be awesome. The plants will be really happy about that. Now, remember, we also said that plants need water too, right?
Yes.
Do you know where the water comes from?
I wonder.
The water comes from the ground. It passes through the roots and goes up to the leaves. Pay attention to where it goes. Where does the water and the air go to?
Leaves.
they go to the leaves. We also said that plants need sunlight, right?
Yes.
Now, because the leaves are spread out, they are the first to receive the sunlight. Do you know what helps plants to collect the sunlight in the leaves?
No.
It is a chemical called chlorophyll.
Another big word.
Another big word. Chlorophyll. Everybody say chlorophyll.
Chlorophyll.
Do you know that because leaves and plants are green, it is the chlorophyll that gives leaves their green color. So we are looking at the leaves as the kitchen for the plants. That is where plants prepare their food. Remember, everything happens in the leaves. The water goes to the leaves, the sunlight goes to the leaves, and the carbon dioxide or the air goes to the leaves. Once the three ingredients are in the leaves, they get mixed up to form food called glucose.
Another big word.
Another big word, glucose.
How many are there?
The process of making this food is called photosynthesis. You can think about it like cooking. Glucose is a type of sugar that plants need to grow. They need this food to make flowers, more leaves, and vegetables that we eat. Now, in our next science class, we will be learning about pollination. Pollination, how plants reproduce. Before then, I want you to check around your house. Take a close look at flowers when you go out. Look closely at the different parts of a flower. Then rub your hand on the center part of a flower and see if there will be any particles left on your hand. When you find out, I want you to send Miss E a message telling me what you discovered. Send me a message telling me if you had particles left on your hand after you touched the center part of a flower, okay?
Okay.
We will need this before our next science class. Wow, we have learned so much today. But before we wrap up the class, let me ask you some questions. Photosynthesis is made out of two words. What are they?
Photo and synthesis.
Photo and synthesis. What does photo mean?
Photo means light.
Photo means sunlight. What does synthesis mean?
Synthesis means to make or making.
It means to make or making. Now, what does photosynthesis mean? In your own words.
Photosynthesis is when plants take sunlight, water, and air and turn it into food.
Yes, photosynthesis means when plants take sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide or air and turn it into food. Now, what are the three ingredients that plants need to make their own food?
Water, carbon dioxide, also known as air, and sunlight.
And sunlight. Beautiful. Which part of a plant does the cooking happen?
On the leaves.
It happens in the leaves. What is the food that plants make and eat?
Glucose.
They make what?
Glucose.
Glucose. Wow. Thank you so much for paying attention today. We've all learned a lot and we've all been good. Until next time, be good boys and girls and keep learning. Bye, children.
Bye, Miss E.
Hello once again, children. If you have any questions about what you've learned today, please text 070-3630-3182.
We've learned so much today about how plants make their food. To wrap this class up, let me ask you some questions. Kayla, can you come over here? Let me ask you some questions. Photosynthesis is made out of two words. What are they?
Photo and synthesis.
Photo and synthesis. What does photo mean?
Photo means light.
Photo means sunlight. And what does synthesis mean?
Synthesis means making.
Synthesis means making. So when you put photo and synthesis together, you have photosynthesis. So what does photosynthesis mean to you?
Photosynthesis is when plants take sunlight and turn it into food.
When plants take sunlight, mix them up with other ingredients like water and air, and the air is called carbon dioxide. When they mix up all these ingredients to form food, we say photosynthesis has happened. That is, plants have made their own food. What are the three ingredients that plants need to make their food? Who can tell me?
I know.
Yeah?
Water, air, In sunlight.
Water, air, and sunlight. What's the special name for the air that plants need?
Carbon dioxide.
Carbon dioxide. Which part of the plants does the cooking happen?
In the leaves.
The cooking happens in the leaves. What is the food that plants make? They make what? What type of food do they make?
Glucose.
They make glucose. We have learned so much today. Remember the assignment I gave you. I want you to look out for flowers. Look for the different parts of a flower, and then when you see a flower, touch your hand in the middle part or the center part of the flower, and then look at your hand. Tell me if you have some particles in your hand. I want you to send me that message before our next science class. All right?
Yes, Missy.
So until next time, be good boys and girls and keep learning. Bye, children.
Bye, Miss E.
Hello once again, children. If you have any questions about what you've learned today, please text 070-3630-3182. This is an AIDS charity initiative powered by the Malala Fund.
This is for the nursery and primary school children. Hello, listeners. I am your ACE Radio School Numeracy teacher. My name is Anna Simon, but you can call me
Miss E.
Last week, we counted from 1 to 30. We learned about subtraction, and we also solved some subtraction problems. Today, we will learn to count from 1 to 40. We'll solve some addition and subtraction problems, but this time we will combine them. Since we already know how to count from 1 to 30, let's now count up to 40. Can we do that?
Yeah!
Okay, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Now let's do that one more time. Okay? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Amazing.
This is an AIDS charity initiative powered by the Malala Fund.
Now, before we go into our special topic for today, the combined addition and subtraction, let us sing our number rhyme. Are you ready?
Yes!
The number rhyme for today is entitled, There Were Two Little Black Birds. Do you know that rhyme?
Yes!
Okay, let's go. There were two little black birds sitting on the wall. One named Peter, one named Paul. Fly away, Peter, fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter, come back, Paul. Come back, two little black birds and sit on the wall. TK is counting her words. Now that we have learnt it together, can we sing it properly this time? Are you ready?
Yes!
Let's go. There were two little black birds sitting on the wall. One named Peter, one named Paul. Fly away, Peter, fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter, come back, Paul. Come back, two little black birds and sit on the wall. Well done, everyone. Now, let's try solving some addition and subtraction problems combined. I'll give you an example. assume that you have 5 oranges and you gave 3 to your sister. You will have 2 oranges left. If your mother gave you 2 more oranges, then you will have 4 oranges all to yourself. Now, let's use our fingers, okay? Lift up 5 fingers, everyone. Children at home, lift up 5 fingers. TK and Kayla, let me see your 5 fingers up. Great job, everyone. Now, drop 3 of them.
1, 2, 3.
Good. You will notice that you have 2 fingers left. Now, keep those 2 fingers standing. Are you lifting the 2 fingers?
Yes.
Great job. Now, raise 2 more fingers on that same hand.
1, 2.
Wow. You will notice now that you have 4 fingers raised, right?
Yes.
Right, everyone?
Yes.
Okay, that is addition and subtraction combined. So, children at home, are you ready? Are you ready, everybody? TK and Kayla, are you ready?
Yes.
Oh, good. Now, anywhere you are listening to us, you can grab a stick to write in the sand, or you can pick up stones or bottle tops to count with, or you can get your writing material. Now, let me say this here before we continue. The next time you're coming for our numeracy class, please come along with your writing materials and your counters, okay?
Okay.
Okay, everyone?
Yes.
Now, you can keep them in a safe place at home. So when it's time for numeracy, you quickly bring them out. Can you do that? Can you do that, everybody?
Yes.
Oh, I'm happy to hear that. Now let's start with the simple problems and then move on to bigger problems. Ready?
Yes.
Ready?
Yes.
Now, you can either choose to use your fingers, draw lines on the sand, use your counters, or simply count in your mind. Are we ready to do some addition and subtraction problems?
Yes!
Oh, awesome, everyone. I'm excited about that. Now we're going to listen very carefully and count using our fingers, our counters, or drawing lines, or simply using our minds, all right? Now lift up 5 fingers, everybody, 5 fingers.
5 fingers.
Oh, I see your 5 fingers. All right, drop 2. Take away 2 fingers.
2 fingers.
Add 1 finger.
1 finger.
How many fingers do you have now?
3.
3. Kayla, 3. Tika, what do you think?
4.
4. Are we sure, Kayla? Can we check that out? Now lift up 5 fingers again. Drop 2 fingers.
1, 2.
Add 1 more finger.
1.
How many fingers do you have left?
4.
4. Great job. Now let's do this. Let's do this quickly, everybody. Take up 5 fingers.
5 fingers.
Drop 3 fingers.
3 fingers.
Add 1 finger.
1 finger.
How many fingers do you have left?
3.
3. Now another one. Raise up 5 fingers.
5 fingers.
Take away 4 fingers.
4 fingers.
Add 2 fingers.
2 fingers.
How many do you have left?
4.
4. Are you sure? One more time. 5 fingers.
5 fingers.
Take away 4 fingers.
4 fingers.
Add 2 fingers. How
2
many?
fingers.
How many do you have there?
4. 3.
Come on, Kayla. 4. Oh, goodness. Let's try one more time. 5 fingers. Take away 4 fingers. You have 1 left, all right? Add 2 fingers.
1, 2.
How many do you have left?
3.
3. That's correct. Well done, everyone. Now, this is for the big boys and girls. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
You need to listen very carefully. You have 5 plus 5
5 plus 5
minus 3.
minus 3.
What's the answer?
7.
7. That's quick and easy. Let's take it again.
Tricky one.
But let's take the next one. 5, 7
7
minus 3
minus 3
plus 6.
plus 6.
Yes. What's the answer?
10.
10. You got the answer. The answer is 10.
10.
Quick one. 30.
30.
That's a big number. 30 minus 10.
minus 10.
Do you have the answer in your mind? Plus 5. What's the answer?
25.
25. Awesome. Now the last one for the big boys and girls. 40
40
minus 15
minus 15
plus 10
plus 10.
equal to what?
45.
35. Great job, people. That's amazing. Good job, everyone. So today we counted from 1 to 40. We solved some combined addition and subtraction problems, and we had a whole lot of fun. That was fantastic. Until next time, be good boys and girls and keep learning. Bye, children.
Bye, Missy.
Hello once again, children. If you have any questions about what you've learned today, please text 070-3630-3182. This is an ACE charity initiative. Powered by the Malala Fund.
This is for the nursery and primary school children. Hello, listeners. I am your ACE Radio School literacy teacher. My name is Eno Simon, but you can call me
Miss E.
Last week, we learned about the letter D and the sound it makes. We also learned how to change words from their singular forms to their plural forms. Today, we will learn about the letter E and the sound it makes. We will also learn about rhyming words. Before we begin, let's sing our letter E song. Ready?
Yes.
Let's go. We are learning the letter E, 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 the letter E. When we say the letter E, E makes a sound eh, eh, eh. We are learning the letter E, 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 the letter E. When we say the letter E, E makes a sound eh, eh, eh. Great job, everyone. Letter E is the fifth letter of the alphabet. It comes after letter D. Let's count the letters and stop at letter E, okay? Remember to lift one finger for each letter. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. A,
B,
B, C, D, and E. How many fingers do you have up?
5.
5 fingers. So letter E is the fifth letter of the alphabet. And it makes the sound eh. Eh. Say eh.
Eh,
Eh.
eh,
One more time. Say eh.
eh.
Good job. Children at home, can you tell me more words that start with the eh sound? Who wants to try?
I do.
All right.
Electric.
Electric.
Excited.
Excited. Who else wants to try?
Excited.
Excited. We already heard excited. Who else wants to try?
Excuse.
Excuse and extreme and
Ebola.
Ebola.
Envelope.
Envelope. Employ.
Employee.
Employee also.
End.
End.
Exit.
Exit. And
Exactly.
exactly. Lovely. All right. And there are so many more words that start with the eh sound. Now, let's recite a poem. It's a simple poem. Children at home, join us to recite this poem. The poem is entitled Jack and Jill. Are you ready? Let's go. Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch a pail of water. Jack fell down and broke his crown, and Jill came tumbling after. Let's say it one more time. Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch a pail of water. Jack fell down and broke his crown, and Jill came tumbling after. Beautiful. Now we are going to say it again, but this time very slowly. As we recite the poem, I want you to listen for words that rhyme. Okay? Now let's take it very slowly. Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch a pail of water. Jack fell down and broke his crown, and Jill came tumbling after. Great job. Did you hear any words that sound alike?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Words like, who wants to tell me?
I know.
Okay.
Down and crown.
Down and crown. They sound alike. So those two words rhyme. Who else wants to try?
Jill and hill.
Jill and heel. Jill and heel rhyme. They sound alike. So when words sound alike, it means they rhyme. Who else wants to try?
I do.
Okay.
Water and after.
Water and after. Beautiful. When two words sound alike, it means they rhyme. Lovely. Now, let's play a rhyming game. I will call out 3 words and you will tell me the words that rhyme. Are you ready?
Yes.
Come closer. Listen to the words. Leg, rock, peg. Which words rhyme?
Leg and peg.
Great job. Listen to these words. Pet, let, camp. Which words rhyme?
Pets and let's.
Fantastic. Children at home, I want you to try this one out. Mat, moon, sat. Which words rhyme? Who wants to try?
I do.
Great.
Mat and sat.
Correct. Tin, hen, pin. Which words rhyme?
I know.
All right.
Tin and pin.
Tin and pin. I'm going to call more words and I want you to tell me which ones rhyme. Children at home, are you there? Listen to this. Motion, F, lotion. If you said motion and lotion, you're correct. Children at home, this is for you again. Best, length, rest. One more time. Best, length, rest. If you said best and rest, you're correct. One more try for children at home. Are you ready? Are you sure? Okay, listen. Hence, edge, fence. One more time. Hence, edge, fence. Did I hear hence and fence? If you said hence and fence, you're correct. Listen for this one. Bucket, bracket, fetch. Kayla, which ones rhyme? Bucket, bracket, fetch.
Bucket and bracket.
Bucket and bracket. TK, how about this one? Subject, food, object.
Object and subject.
Fantastic. One last one for both of you and children at home. I want you to say the correct answers at once. Listen very carefully. Confess, collect, recess.
Confess and recess.
Lovely, everyone. All right, children at home. I would like you to send me a list of 10 words that rhyme. The first person to send me a list of 10 words that rhyme will receive 500 Naira airtime from Miss E. Miss E will give you 500 Naira airtime if you send me a list of 10 words that rhyme. Parents at home, if you're typing for your children, make sure that they are the ones that are telling you the rhyming words. And remember, Miss E keeps her promise, so no cheating. So today, we'll learn the sound for letter E. And we said that letter E makes a sound E. We also learned rhyming words. And we said that when two words sound alike, it means they rhyme. So until next time, be good boys and girls and keep learning. Bye, children.
Bye, Miss E.
Hello once again, children. If you have any questions about what you've learned today, please text 070 3630 3182.